This question is from GATE 2015 Mechanical Engineering paper, Set 1, question number 22. Holes of diameter 25.0 with variation for the upper limit as plus 0.04 and variation for the lower limit as plus 0.02 mm are assembled interchangeably with the pins of diameter 25 with upper limit variation as 0.005 and lower limit variation as minus 0.008 mm. The minimum clearance in the assembly will be. So we can first calculate the upper limit for hole and lower limit for hole, and then the upper limit for the pin and lower limit for the pin. Let's do it. So we have for hole, it is given to be diameter 25.0 plus 0.04 and plus 0.02. So we have upper limit of diameter of hole is 25.04 mm and its lower limit is 25.02 mm. Similarly, for the shaft, it is given as 25 plus 0.005 and minus 0.008. Thus, we can similarly calculate upper limit of diameter of shaft or diameter of pin is 25.005 mm and its lower limit is 25 minus 0.008. That gives us 24.992 mm. Now, by definition of minimum clearance, we have minimum clearance is equal to lower limit of the hole minus the upper limit of the shaft. So if we have an arrangement, so this denotes the shaft or the pin and this denotes the hole. This denotes upper limit of the shaft. This line denotes the lower limit of shaft. Similarly here, this is the upper limit of hole and this one's the lower limit of hole. So minimum clearance is this distance. We can find this out thus by subtracting lower limit of hole and upper limit of shaft. Lower limit of hole is 25.02 and upper limit of shaft is 25.005. Answer for minimum clearance is 0.015 millimeters. Let's write the answer. So we have the answer in option B. Option B is correct. Minimum clearance in the assembly will be 0.015 millimeters. To learn more about fits, tolerances and clearances in the assembly, you can refer to the NPTEL course or video, Selection of Fits, Geometrical Tolerances from the course Metrology. It is by Professor Kanakuppi Sadashivappa. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.